first tremor hit at 5:37. The year was 1964. We had just come out of Seward. We were hiking Mount Marathon. My wife had seen a bird. She loved birds. She went back to look at it. After the first tremor hit, I went to find her. I found her trapped under a tree. She was already gone by the time I left.
Was it shocking when you got back home? Did everything look different?
Everything was changed. The buildings were all gone. Between the landslides and tsunamis, the town was decimated. Seward, Aldez, Girdwood, all heavily damaged. The towns were later moved further to the coast. There were 131 deaths in Chenga, Alaska, a village on a remote island. They were hit hardest by the earthquake. The earthquake caused tsunamis, devastating the small island town, killing over a third of its population.
What else impacted you because of this event?
The fisheries were impacted. The shoreline was so drastically changed, the marshes fell into the water. Trees were destroyed. Salmon's natural spawning routines were disrupted. I fished commercially. Because of this, financially, I suffered for the next few years.
What were the next few years like after the earthquake?
Personal loss was devastating, but Anchorage's government helped rebuild $300 million in damage.
Thank you, Mr. White, for coming in today. The events of 1964 really don't suit you, but we really appreciate your time.
Thank you. Something.
Oh my god, it's Be Real.
Hey, we need you to say something. Oh my gosh. What?
Stop stroking your beard!
I like stroking my beard. I can't wait to do this in real life.